Kids, this week in EVS you will be doing the book exercise work of chapter 6. So open your EVS book to page 33. Here the first exercise, the first question is take the correct word given in the bracket. Number 1, we should walk on footpath or on the road. It's footpath, right? So you'll put a tick here. Next is we should cross the road at the zebra crossing or anywhere. Definitely zebra crossing, right? So put a tick here. Number 3 is the traffic moves when the traffic light indicates green or red color. Children, we know that red color indicates stop. So the correct answer is green. So put a tick here. Number 4 is we should obey or disobey the traffic rules. Of course, obey. We should obey the traffic rules to avoid any kind of accident. Right, children? Now, number B is match the following columns. Red. And these are the options. So, from these options, red indicates what? Red indicates stop. So write number 1 beside stop. Next is yellow. Yellow light indicates wait. So write number 2 beside wait. Number 3 is green. Green light indicates go. So write number 3 beside go. Now open your book to page 34. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. Number 1. Do not play on the... So out of these options, the correct answer is road. So you will write road here. R-O-A-D, road. Next is always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Never lean out of the moving bus. Always walk on the footpath. Follow the traffic rules to avoid accidents. Now number D is write T for true and F for false statements. So you have to read the statement carefully and understand whether it's a correct statement or it's a wrong statement. So number 1 is we should not follow the traffic rules. It's absolutely a wrong statement. So you'll write F here. We should follow the traffic rules to avoid accidents. If we do not follow the traffic rules, then children, what will happen? It may lead to accident or we may get injured very badly. So this statement is a wrong statement or it's a false statement. So we'll write F here in the box. Number 2 is we can walk on the road. No, we should always walk on the footpath. So write F here. Always move on the left. Yes. So write true here. We can get off the moving bus. No way, definitely not. We cannot and we should not get off from the moving bus. Otherwise, what will happen? We may injure ourselves badly. So this statement is a wrong statement. So write F here. Next is answer the following questions. What does the yellow light mean? The yellow light means to wait and get ready to stop or go. Number 2. What does the green light mean? The green light means to go. Number 3. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. So children, I hope you have understood how to complete your exercise work, and I request you to read the chapter thoroughly first and then start doing your exercise work. Now children, this is your copy work. You will be doing this in your EVS copy. Here in your EVS copy you will write the first question, that is write any 3 safety rules of the road. Children, I have written 4 safety rules here. So out of these 4 safety rules, you will be learning any 3 safety rules and then you will be writing it in your EVS notebook. So safety rules of the road are: always walk on the footpath, always cross road at the zebra crossing, never play on the road, and number D is obey the traffic rules. So out of these 4 rules, you will be learning any 3 rules and writing the same in your EVS copy. Now number 2 is draw, color and label the traffic light. So in the white side of your EVS copy, you will be drawing a traffic light and you will be labeling it, and also you will be write these also: stop, wait and go. You will be writing which color indicate what, and I have also given a reference link. You can click the link below and can learn how to draw a traffic light. So I hope you will be able to do your work. Thank you.